About design product. First of all, this is a really awesome program. The reason I say that is nowadays ideas and technology are changing so fast. We trying to actually shift thinking about the program that serve the industry instead to serve society. For example, we can focusing on a lot of things like a medical device and aging people or global problem, global innovations. So nowadays, I believe designers are able to work with other disciplines as well. We almost can say that we prefer to work with these students that have a different background. Of course, has a background with design, that's good too. But when you work together, the program much better and richer. So we are looking for the students interested in impact to the society, of course in a good way, and then interested in finding opportunity, and then passionate about the design. I mean, our alumni are really literally everywhere. They also work for different country, different industry. Even after we graduate, we have a diploma that design product, but some students work for service design area, athletic, sports goods, or even jewelry design, or wearable design, or interactive design company. I mean, really, it's everywhere. People that have a stereotype idea about design product is making things, physically making things. Actually, it's not true. Of course, that is one of the things they should learn to realize their ideas. But design product is more understanding about the big picture to solve the complicated problem with other disciplines.
A lot of the people that I met there to this day are kind of the fundamentals of my life here in London, and my creative energies as well. I had friends that were working on incredible textile, but then also sort of broader topics. A lot of friends working on queerness and lots of amazing, very relevant themes that to me were almost outside the scope of being a designer. So that was definitely a big moment for my confidence, because just by being able to see other people dedicating themselves to what was of interest for them, to me was very enlightening. The social layers that I was exposed to in RCA are the one thing that I keep dearest, for sure.
The projects that I've done at the RCA, it's been textiles, it's been furniture, it's been material development, it's been ceramics and jewelry. But the thinking is about the process and how you translate that idea from one to the other. Being able to stop every now and then and look at processes or the things that I'm working on as proof of concepts is what stuck with me through the course and after. What things I could make has completely shifted to how can we get together and make things, and how can different people or different organizations, institutions come together to complete the process of a project.
Engineering and computer science, they are focusing on very technical stuff. But humans' problem is not only about the technical problem. We have to understand their needs, and then after you solve the problem, how it impacts the society. Therefore, our design product graduates should be able to connect the dot between all the disciplines and able to see the big picture. That's the very important value we are pursuing in design products.